Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi AX3 Quadcom router to your landline. So here is the router. Those are the ports. Power port, one port where your landline goes, and then we have LAN ports. Through the LAN ports you connect your computer to be able to configure the router or use wired connection. So let's start with the connections. First there is a power port, then to the one you connect your landline here, and then from your PC you connect to LAN port 1. As soon as everything is connected and ready, there should be an LED indicator lighting up. So now you open up a browser on your computer and go to address 192.168.3.1 to be able to configure your new Huawei router. Let's start with AX3 quad-core router configuration. So first of all, we open a browser, any browser, go on top and type the router's address, which is 192.168.3.1. Hit enter. From here you have to agree to end user license agreement by clicking here, and you can also enable automatic updates. Hit let's get started and give it a moment. It will load into our main router configuration page. Okay, so here first option we leave it on as it is by default, and here we can set our Wi-Fi network name, let's say home for example. Okay, below you can set the Wi-Fi network password, which has to be at least 8 characters long. Okay, so now we have our network name and network password. This one is a security code, administrator code, in order to enter the router in later time if we want to change network name or network password. It is suggested to be different than the network password. And here is an option in case we run into compatibility issues with older devices. We'll leave this one disabled as it is by default. Hit next. With this option enabled, in case our router gets resetted, it will keep most of our settings, so we leave this one enabled. Okay, here we choose IPv4 and hit next. Router is restarting now to apply our new settings. Also here there is a QR that we can open with our phone, and it will direct us to download AI Live application, in which we can add our router, and from there we can easily modify the settings as Wi-Fi name, as Wi-Fi password, also check statistics and configure our router really easy. So now that the configuration is complete, hit next. So now if I want to change either Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password, I have to enter here the administrator password that I said before. Hit login. Here are some basic info for our router and our speeds. So hit my Wi-Fi, and here we have the same configuration page that we did before. So let's say that I want to change the name, and from home I want to rename it to office, for example. I type here office, hit save, and that's it, it's done. I go to my Wi-Fi again, you can see the name is changed. Same applies for the password. From here I can put a new password, save, and that's it. You just change your password, hit logout, and you're done.